Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Florence and I film about natural hair, lifestyle, relationships and how-tos. So today, because of the isolation and because a lot of people are bored in their homes, I'm going to be showing us a video of, we are going to be showing us a video of how to make a complete Ludo set right from your house using paper, only paper. So if you want to know how, stay tuned, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get right into it.
Isolation has got us inventing things. So we are bored, so we are inventing our own dice. How did I come about it? So I started rolling this line and this line. Then, since a cube has 6 faces, so what I simply did was I made 6 boxes. There's no ruler in my house, so I couldn't measure. I'm just using my head. So this space to this space, this one, then this one, yeah. So this is 3, and the 4th one comes here. And I give an additional space here, just in case. An additional space here too, just in case. Then in the second box, I extend the line to both sides. Same thing I do here, extend it to both sides. Then I measure the remaining 2 surfaces, since I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is going to be the 5th one here and the 6th one here. Then the same thing I did here was I just give an extra space at the edges, just in case. This is not accurate though. Why? Because I don't have a ruler. I'm following all the lines since there's no ruler to cut or razor to cut. I'm just following all the lines that I have here. So what do? Just cut along all what I made. So you have something like this. So I'll do the same thing here. Bridge the 2 boxes, or fold up the 2 boxes again. Are 6 surfaces. Then bend this first down here, then and this one bends this way. Let's keep this. So I'll fold paper, some paper into it, make it look firm. I don't know if that's enough. I'll just add a little bit more. I don't know if this is gonna fit. I think it does a bit. Then I need this one to be cut. So just cut this surface off. Then add it here to this part. Just keep turning them along the surfaces. That's my cube. Please don't forget to, you have to use a tape to hold it. I think you have to write on the surfaces first. So this will be my 1. So come back to my sellotape. And make it go round. That's not done. Still add another one along this way and makes the cube. So now it's time for me to play my ludo with 2 dice. Don't forget to stay at home. If you are bored, you can make ludo and play. Thank you. So these are the shapes we're going to be making, and those will be our players. Necessity, mother of invention. So just put sellotape around it to make it firm.
This one too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2. See me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Okay. So this is what our ludo board looks like right now. It's more colorful if you print it, and if you want to roll the dice, if you don't have a container to use, you can use your hands to roll it. I hope you guys like this video.
So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you don't, a thumbs down. But I'm very sure you're going to like it. Then please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell beside it. Also, go and watch the other videos, very important, so you learn more about you can see me, I'm a natural hair, and you get please watch the other videos and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.
All right, bye guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.